Anping Dongjie Wire Mesh Products Company Limited is a specialized manufacturer for the development, design, and production of expanded mesh, perforated mesh, decorative wire mesh, woven wire mesh, and filter end caps for decades. Has always stuck into quality proves strength, details reach to success. Dongjie has achieved highly acclaim in the old and new customers. We have passed ISO 9001 certificate and have been exporting products to more than 70 countries and regions all over the world. Our metal mesh and stamping products are widely used in construction, decoration, mining, chemical, medical, petroleum, machinery, many other filter industries, and so on. With the characteristics of diverse specifications, various colors, and easy installation, the metal mesh, wire mesh, and stamping parts are more and more popular in many countries. We have professional technical teams to make different customization according to requirements, such as materials, hole pattern, hole size, color, and shapes. ODM and OEM service is our advantage. No matter what kind of products you need, we can provide customization services for you. First-grade materials, perfect design, precise dimensions, and thoughtful service will help clients keep in front of the market. Looking forward to your inquiries whenever you face any difficulties for new products. Anping Dongjie Wire Mesh Products Company Limited will always be your reliable partner.
Hello everyone, welcome to Anping Dongjie Wire Mesh Products Company Limited. We are specialized manufacturer for design, development, production of expanded mesh, perforated mesh, decorative wire mesh, woven mesh, and filter end caps for decades. ODM OEM is our advantage. Welcome to Paris at your own convenient times.